Hey guys, it's Miss Farzad. This video is going to show you how to explore CTLS Learn. CTLS Learn is where all assignments will be placed as well as where you need to turn in assignments. So currently right now I have what your screen looks like when you log in to CTLS Learn. You can choose from any of your 7 classes. So right now I am going to show you guys my 6th grade reading class, which is 3rd period. Obviously, if you're in 7th grade, you'll be in my 2nd period reading class, and then 8th graders are in 6th period. So again, right now I'm just looking at the 6th grade classroom, but they all pretty much look the same right now. Once I click on my classroom, it takes me to our home page. On our home page, it gives me all sorts of information about my class, about my assignments, and about my teacher. So the first thing you'll notice when you look at your page is information about your instructor. Instructor just means who your teacher is. So when you click on this little arrow, it expands and it shows you more information about your teacher. So you have my email address and my Google Voice number. These are both ways that you can contact me when you need help. Then the next thing you'll see are announcements. Announcements are anything that I find are important for you to know for that week. So you'll see week 1, I have a to-do list for you guys. And that to-do list includes your digital sessions and assignments as well as due dates. So whenever you log on in the mornings or in the evenings, whenever you log on, go and check announcements. That's going to tell you what you need to do. The next thing we have is a class board. The class board really just has things that are going to help you, maybe some links or pictures that are helpful for everyone to know. So you'll see we have our digital learning schedule. This is specific for 6th grade, so if you're a 7th or 8th grader, you'll see your specific one in there for your grade. Then if you scroll down, we have a couple links about needing a counselor, some helpful websites, and then we have our PBIS classroom expectations. Remember, Campbell Spartans are respectful, responsible, and safe, even when we are doing digital learning. So you'll see our classroom expectations in both English as well as Spanish. So again, this is just our home screen. This is what happens when you click on the home button. So if you're somewhere else, let's say you're taking a test, and you need to go back to that home page, you just click home and it takes you there.